Hi, and welcome to this video on common types of foot pain and how to find relief. In this video, we'll be talking about plantar fasciitis, which is a disorder of inflamed connective tissue found along the bottom of the foot. It results in pain and inflammation that's usually most severe the first thing in the morning or after long periods of rest. Flat feet, heel spurs, and obesity are also common factors in aggravating symptoms. Runners are prone to plantar fasciitis flare-ups due to the constant pounding on concrete and poor-fitting shoes. Some of the most common types of treating include tennis ball exercises, icing the foot, stretching, supportive inserts, and even steroid injections. So how can CBD help with plantar fasciitis? Well, it's important to note that anything with an itis on the end usually indicates disease and inflammation. So usually the first thing is to address the inflamed area so that connective tissue can start to heal. So let's start with a CBD soak. Epsom salts are great, but for a real therapeutic blend, you'll want trace minerals such as calcium, iron, and sodium to help the CBD absorb deeper into the body. Try soaking into this mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes before doing manual therapy to prepare the connective tissue for lasting change. Now that the soft tissue is ready to go, let's get to work. Tennis ball therapy is one of the top prescribed exercises for foot pain relief, and with the goal being to massage and stretch the foot. The sensation of the stretching and massage feels so good, but unfortunately it doesn't actually change the fascia on a long-term basis. So if you've tried tennis ball exercises or rolling with a frozen water bottle, try this instead. Apply CBD balm to the ankle and feet before rolling with a Himalayan salt ball. The trace minerals and natural sodium reduce pain and inflammation. And by the way, ice is still nice. So if you still like the sensation of the ice cold feeling on your foot, go ahead and freeze that Himalayan salt ball and use it as you would a frozen water bottle instead. Most people have tried this stretch for plantar fasciitis. And once again, the sensation of the stretch might feel good, bringing blood flow to the area. But this stretch is tricky if you have flexible toes, so it's kind of hard to target the right set of muscles. Instead, try resisted stretching. Resisted stretching is a combination of stretching and strengthening, and not only helps the plantar fascia, but the structure of the entire foot. So after you've had a soak, stretch, and massage, make sure to check out some of the videos on stretching and strengthening from Tune Up Fitness, E3 Rehab, and our channel at Simple Jane Co. You can also find the products that we used in this video at simplegane.co and use the promo code JANE for 20% off your next order. Make sure to join us for the next video when we talk about another itis problem, Achilles tendonitis.